Get ready for a reptile challenge. Some reptiles crawl, some swim, and some change color. Look at this long, slithering animal. Can you guess its name? It smells using its tongue. It is a snake. Can you say it? Snake. Snake. Snakes smell with their tongues. Look at this big river animal. Can you guess its name? It has very strong teeth and jaws. It is a crocodile. Can you say it? Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodiles can live more than 70 years. Look at this small crawling animal. Can you guess its name? It can drop its tail to escape danger. It is a lizard. Can you say it? Lizard. Lizard. Lizards can grow a new tail after losing one. Look at this wide-mouthed reptile. Can you guess its name? It looks like a crocodile but is different. It is an alligator. Can you say it? Alligator. Alligator. Alligators grow new teeth again and again. Look at this animal with a shell. Can you guess its name? It carries its home on its back. It is a turtle. Can you say it? Turtle. Turtle. Turtles can live both on land and in water. Look at this slow-moving animal. Can you guess its name? It lives only on land. It is a tortoise. Can you say it? Tortoise. Tortoise. Tortoises are one of the slowest animals in the world. Look at this wall-climbing animal. Can you guess its name? It can walk upside down. It is a gecko. Can you say it? Gecko. Gecko. Geckos can walk on walls and ceilings. Look at this long-tailed reptile. Can you guess its name? It uses its tail for protection. It is an iguana. Can you say it? Iguana. Iguana. Iguanas use their tail like a whip. Look at this color-changing animal. Can you guess its name? It can change its body color to match its surroundings. It is a chameleon. Can you say it? Chameleon. Chameleon. Chameleons can move each eye in a different direction at the same time. Look at this hooded snake. It spreads its neck like a hood to scare enemies. It is a cobra. Can you say it? Cobra. Cobra. Cobras can stand up and open their hood when they feel in danger. Thanks for watching. Follow for more fun quizzes. Please like and subscribe.